Mayong buntag, everybody. Good morning. It's Kevin here with lumpialife. It's been a couple of weeks. Sorry about that. You know, sometimes it's kind of difficult to find something to vlog about. So if you have any ideas, put them down there in the comments, what you'd like to see or want me to talk about or whatever, you know. But if I can't come up with anything, I will try to give you some highlights. But today I'm going to take you, we're going to go to Honda and we're going to get the oil changed in the bike. And we're going to go to Langihan and do some thrifting. We got a trip coming up here. We're going to go to our favorite place, Camiguin Island, which is, to me, it's like the Hawaii of the Philippines. But we'll show you more of that when we get there. But anyway, sit back and relax. We'll get into today's video. Let's go. Today is Mario's birthday, my brother-in-law, the guy that helped me build the fence over here. Yeah, today's his birthday, so I'm firing up the barbecue and have a party tonight. So let's barbecue some food. So when you buy charcoal, you get an old rice bag full of charcoal. I think we've had this since, I don't know, we've had it for quite a while. It's been in our storage, so it's probably really nice and dry. But yeah, I think it cost us maybe $5 for this big bag. This chimney I got off of Lazada. You can order these on Lazada. Pretty familiar. You know, you put the paper down below, light the paper, charcoal heats up. She's heating up just fine. This is liempo, big bowl of liempo. Gonna do 2 cans. Just gonna concentrate it over here. So I'm doing chicken later and I want indirect. Secret sauce, family recipe, Jessica. Chose thighs just because they're easy, huh? Mary Lou came out to give me a hand here. We're cutting these up to a more user-friendly length. Basically, it's pork belly, right?
Yeah.
It's one of the favorites.
Oh, that's liempo.
Liempo. What's the marinade?
Oh, I put the key lime vinegar.
So, calamansi.
Yeah, calamansi. And then
Soy
I
sauce.
put garlic. Yeah, soy sauce, garlic, some vinegar, and then I also put garlic, onion.
All done grilling. One thing my Uncle Benny taught me was when you're cleaning the grill, always push it away from you so it doesn't splatter up on you when you come back, right? It's gonna splatter. So always push away. Quick tip.
Hey, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, pag-wish ma. Wish ma.
Pag-wish. Ayaw man makwartahan, madato taon sa ba.
Yay! Well, this is all the food. Everybody's been busy. We got lumpia, pancit, rice, of course, barbecue,
Fried chicken.
adobo, chicken adobo, biko, more pancit, and happy birthday, Mario.
Ikaduhang ingkod, yay. Ikaduhang ingkod, ikaduha. Karera nung niya Pasko to.
Okay guys, we are back at the Honda shop. Finally doing an oil change, much needed oil change. But let me turn you around here. There's the bike up in the air. This is where I originally bought my bike. Cost $400 to do a Honda oil change. 60 pesos for labor, and then $340 for the oil itself. I bought my Honda Click for $79,000. And they're currently going for $84,000. I'm not sure what year.
Morning, sir.
What year? What year is this one?
Year model? 2023, sir.
23?
Version 3.
Oh. I bought my 2019 for $79.
Yes, sir. That's true.
This location also has a lot of used bikes. Here's a Honda Click. I'm not sure that they don't put the year. This one's going for $68,000. 89. But lots of bikes. I think it's always best to bring your bike to an authorized dealer in the service department. I've been working with this guy ever since I bought the bike, so I've known him for a few years. The mechanic told me that I needed coolant as well, so we're gonna get some coolant here and add that as well. $381 pesos. Oh, okay. Okay, so after the oil change, we are now at the Langihan Market. And we're just gonna take a look around. We don't really have any plans today. We're gonna actually go to do some thrifting at a thrift store. They call them Ukay-Ukays. So
100.
we're gonna take a look around.
Kaya inane, ilan ni siya? Pagbalik na lang namin ha. Should I buy now or later on?
You can buy now. So my niece has a store here, and they sell vegetables, and they also sell dried fish. They call it bulad. Bulad.
Dried fish. This is calamaris.
So the maris.
This is haul.
Which one is the most expensive?
This. Boneless.
Oh, boneless.
These
Okay.
are red sal.
Okay. Wow.
Here are this goodbye head.
Sardine.
Very expensive.
This one
This one.
Yeah.
1,400.
for 1 kilo. Wow. 1,400 for 1 kilo of boneless.
Amo palit ko na. Salamat ha.
This is called 𝐁𝐔𝐒𝐒𝐿𝐴𝐷𝐿. 𝐵BQ. Like a coconut. Lame. 𝐁𝐿𝐴𝐷𝐿. Okay, now we're going to work our way over to the thrift stores. The Ukay-Ukay.
Used.
There's a bunch of used shoes. Well, we're going on a trip before anything, and Mary Lou's looking for a long sleeve. Let's go in. So if you've ever been to the Goodwill bins, this is basically it. I don't know where they get the clothes. There's something with the tag.
Very nice. So brand new. 20.
Blue with tags. You should do that again. How they check the size, they put it around the neck. And supposedly it fits.
Very nice.
So this is a Korea trading company. And I think this is where they get their clothes, Korea. And there's a bunch of bundles here. But pretty cheap. 10 pesos for any blouse here.
I don't know how much.
This one came from Value Village. Originally $4.99, but now it's only 25 pesos. Old Navy. Hope you enjoyed walking around the market a little bit here in Langihan, but we're gonna head home now. Let's go. Okay, so now we're gonna show you what our haul was at the Ukay-Ukay stores, the thrift stores. They don't have too many men's clothes. They do have some, but nothing that fit me, so I didn't get anything. But Mary Lou wants to show you her haul.
So this is what I got from the Ukay-Ukay store, which is just like a Goodwill bin, right? This is an airwalk, and it comes with a hood, detachable hood. It costs 130. It looks brand new.
So a little light jacket.
This one, it actually had a tag, but I already cut it. It's 50 pesos. And it's a UV. 25 pesos. I like the color, so I bought it. 10 pesos. This is Gap. 25 pesos. And this is 25 pesos again. I flipped them because I'm going to wash them. Have them laundered. 25 pesos from Acceleration. That's it. Total 265 for everything, which is about $5 for everything. Good steal.
So, you know, we could have gone to the mall and spent maybe, I don't know, 500 to 1,000 per piece, but it's, yeah, or more.
Because they're from America.
Yeah, and, you know, some of the stuff comes from Korea and other Asian countries. We even saw some other Goodwill tags and Value Village tags, so stuff comes from America too. So, I mean, we love thrifting. We've always loved thrifting, and
Practical.
yeah, you don't pay retail, and you get some good deals. So, anyway,
If we get brand new, they have to be on, on sale.
yeah, or clearance, you know.
Clearance, yeah.
Yeah,
The cheaper, the better.
yeah, but okay. Thrifting here in the Philippines. It's kind of nice. You can just walk out from your house and take a dip in the ocean. It is definitely summer now. Very hot. This coconut leaf just crashed onto our roof. I don't know what to do with them. I just drag them out and my brother-in-law takes care of them, Mario. I think I'm gonna get in this water here. Because it is hot today. Okay guys, well, hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it wasn't too exciting, but got to see a little bit of town and what I see, you know. Pretty different way of life living out here in the Philippines, but it's all good, you know. Sometimes it gets a little boring, to be honest with you, but I mean, just because we're so far out and not in the city, so And it takes a lot out of you to go to the city, especially in this heat. We're in the summertime right now and it is hot. So we usually go to the city around 10 a.m. Try to get back around 12:31. But anyway, hope you enjoyed today's video and we will see you in the next one. Bye for now.